Hey, welcome. This is the daily shortwave tip number 3. We are January 31st, 2019. I give the date. Somebody said, why you give the date to these tips? They're not dated in time. It's for the purpose of knowing when I did a certain tip. And of course, the numbering to see how many tips I will be at some point in time. So anyways, today's tip, wire. Wire for shortwave, because maybe you got portable radios around, and you know what, one of the things about portable radios is that it's fun to have some wire lying around. Any type of wire, electrical wire, as long as it's electrical wire, speaker wire will do. Maybe you've got some you've got some renovations at home and there's some electrical wire left behind. Any length. I like to have like these. I have a store here that the wires are really cheap, and I get like 100 feet of rolls. This one is obviously not 100 feet, but it's wire and it's good to have it lying around. Why? Because there's a telescopic antenna on these radios, and of course you can use a telescopic antenna to listen to shortwave, and it's usually good. But you know what? Even in your home, sometimes you might want to have longer, because in shortwave radio, if you have longer antenna, you probably will get more signals. So by having wire lying around, what you could do is, hang it up somewhere. It doesn't have to be permanent, and that's what's interesting. Is I keep this, and what I do is when I go in somewhere in my house and I want to have a quick makeshift wire antenna, I just, like hang it on something and take the length that I need, and I clip it to the telescopic. So you see, you have the braided wire here. So you just take a little bit of the insulation off at the end, and you just roll it into your telescopic, and it's a quick makeshift antenna that will improve reception in your home. Of course, so this is a very, very quick way of improving reception, or trying to get a little more out of the signals you're hearing. And you know what? If you want to make it a little easier, you can actually get and purchase yourself little alligator clips. And these are cheap. And of course, instead of just taking the wire off, you can of course clip the one end to the wire. So here, insulation. And you can actually use the alligator clip to just clip it to the telescopic. What's nice about alligator clips also, well, what's nice about wire anyway, is that you don't have to extend the antenna necessarily. You can just clip it directly here to the receiver. And of course, some of you might have a antenna input like this one has, the Tecsun PL600. You can use that, but you know what? I almost never use it. I pretty much always clip to the telescopic, and it works perfectly well. And it's simple. It's a quick makeshift antenna in your home. So that's today's tip number 3. Make sure you got some wire lying around, any length, and use it as an antenna. You'll be surprised at what you'll be receiving and the more signals you'll be getting from having a longer antenna on your portable devices. If you enjoyed my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and hope you enjoy this tip. Take care, and enjoy shortwave radio.